What's going on, guys? It's your boy Gio from HAIRGC, back at it again with another video, and this time we'll be discussing laser helmets for hair growth. Laser helmets for hair loss, to my knowledge, have been around for quite some time, but they weren't really accessible for most people for in-home usage since about a decade ago. Their manufacturers allegedly promise results such as reducing hair loss, enhancing growth, and an overall improved appearance after just 8 to 16 weeks of use. Today I'm going to be evaluating how realistic these claims are and try answering the question, are laser helmets for hair growth all they're cracked up to be? Let's get into it. So how do laser helmets work exactly? The helmet acts on the hair follicles through low intensity cold laser radiation, which can penetrate the deeper layers of the epidermis. Laser rays contribute to more intensive cell division, improved local blood circulation, and therefore the flow of oxygen and nutrients, and thereby stimulate the dormant hair follicles to regrow weakened and thinner hair follicles damaged due to androgenic alopecia. The light energy is transformed into biological energy and enters the process of protein synthesis, an essential process for the building material for our hair. As unrealistic as it may seem and look, there is actually some scientific evidence to back up the claim that stimulating hair follicles with light actually works. For instance, there was a clinical trial done in 2013 with a group of people suffering from male pattern baldness who spent 25 minutes under the dome for a couple of days for 16 weeks. And after the experiment concluded, they saw a 35% increase in hair count over the placebo group that were wearing fake helmets. However, most manufacturers promote the product with slogans like revitalizes asleep follicles. First off, it's important to understand that there is no such thing as sleeping follicles. If the follicle does not produce hair, it is dead. No such thing as sleeping follicles, once again. Therefore, not a single device can resurrect it. Only thing that is capable of fixing that is a hair transplant. Most marketing around this thing is made to make it seem like it's a new thing, but ultimately it's the same thing but with Bluetooth. The only real difference is that in the past, laser treatment was available only in clinics and beauty salons, and back in the day a professional laser setup was hella expensive and spacious. Now it's just more compact and easier for in-home uses. Most common question people have is it safe? Because most people, including me, hear lasers and they think of cancer. It's kind of instinctive. Luckily, that is not the case. Laser hair treatments have no side effects if you follow the instruction and use the helmet for no more than 2 to 4 times a week for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. There is absolutely no evidence to link the use of this device to any oncological diseases. The only real side effect is if you use it for more than the recommended amount, it could cause burns on your scalp. So let's say if you decide to buy yourself one of these, please be smart about it and don't act on the logic that more is better. So ultimately, guys, it is a good device and there is scientific evidence to prove that it works, but you should only use it as an addition to other medications like finasteride and minoxidil. If you're looking for more information about these two, you can check out the links in the description box down below. And if you're looking for more information about hair loss, beard care, and essentially anything and everything hair and beard related, check out any of our previous videos and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content. My name is Gio from HAIRGC, and I'll see you soon.